Do you want to learn our software for free? So just today I brought a very good idea and good free SaaS courses for you. Welcome to Modern Akash. Today I will tell you how you can get free access to best SaaS course. So friends, go to your favorite browser and search SAS.com. As soon as you you go to SAS.com, this page will appear here. This is official homepage of SAS. Here, left uppermost corner, you will get menu option. As you click on it, you will get a lot of options. Here you have to click on the learning section. As you click on learning section, you will get few more options like training, courses, learning formats, webinars, certification, exam preparation, certification manager. So today you have to get free access for two courses which are free taught by SAS. So friends, click on courses, and in front of that you will get few more options like programming 1, programming 2, SAS enterprise guide 1, SAS programming for our users, SAS via enablement. So you can click here on SAS programming 1. As you click on programming 1, you can see here this is the course detail. Here you can read SAS programming 1 essentials. Under overview you can read all the detail given by SAS, and you can also click here on prerequisites. There is no any prerequisites as such. Here they have written that be able to access data files on your operating system. It is just everyone can do that. No prior SAS and experience is needed. So actually it is best SAS program provided by SAS.com. So here you can see course outline. In course outline you can see that whole syllabus, essentials of SAS, how you can access data in SAS, how to explore and validate data in SAS, and a few more options like preparing data, analyzing and reporting, and finally you can export your data. And one more bonus point is that you can learn how to use SQL in SAS. So these are the points which will be covered in this course. Here you can see that self-paced e-learning. Under that, under title, you can see SAS Programming 1 Essentials. Duration of this course is 21 hours and the access period is 180 days, and language of this course is English. Fee is free. It means that this course is free. And under add to cart option you can see start option here, friends. You can click on start. As soon as you click on start, you will get this page. You will land on this page, and here we go. This is our course and this is syllabus. Under lesson, all these are the lessons. Here total 7 lessons are there. Actually I have completed this course, that's why it is showing tick mark, green tick mark like this. Now if you want to do this course, then first of all you have to create account on SAS. I have created my profile here, that's why I'm on this page. Otherwise you need to create your account. As you come here, you will get all these 7 lessons. Now you can learn this full course, and as soon as you complete these all 7 lessons, you will get badge from SAS, and as well as you will get certificate of completion. So friends, and here are 2 more options: free software to practice. If you want to practice SAS software, then you have 2 options here: SAS on demand for academics and SAS University Edition. SAS University Edition is basically it's a software, friends, and SAS on demand for academics, it's an online cloud where you can do this course online. Actually you can access SAS software online, friends, on cloud. And if you wanna learn SAS in free software, then you can download SAS University Edition. So that's it, friends. Today you have to learn this course. That's it. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting stuff like getting free courses and certificates. Thank you for giving your precious time.